Good afternoon and welcome to the Humidor Report. Justin here for another edition of your favorite locally produced web series, at least about cigars at any rate. This week we have something that makes its appearance once every year, and it actually is a kind of a special brand to the Humidor Report, because going back to, I want to say it was 2016 was when we did the first episode of Humidor Report. That was done on our Cigar Club Lake Charles Facebook page long before we ever started the YouTube channel. But the first product we ever featured on the Humidor Report was the annual Crowned Heads release, Las Calaveras. Now, Las Calaveras is an annual tribute that the folks at Crowned Heads do every year to those that they have lost. Everybody who makes Crowned Heads, those who have lost very close family members or people that meant a lot to them over the years. This is an annual tribute to those people who have supported the brand that are not with us anymore. And this year's is no exception. They haven't specified exactly who they're honoring with this year's blend, but there are the initials of the 4 individuals that are being honored by this year's blend that are located on the bands themselves. But to tell you a little bit about the release, as always, it is a very limited release. There are only 3 regular production sizes. There is a 4th production size that is a petite Corona that only comes available in a sampler. But these are the 3 boxed regular production, if you will, limited edition Las Calaveras, the LC54, the LC46, 52, and 54, I believe is how they lined them up this year. Now, for the first time, it is a Nicaraguan puro, but as per usual, it is made by the My Father factory, Don Pepin and crew, the My Father outfit down in Estelí, Nicaragua. So, first year that it is a Nicaraguan puro, 100% Nicaraguan tobacco, and it is using a Corojo 99 wrapper. So I'm actually interested to try it. Haven't had a chance to check it out myself because it just got here, but we do have them on the shelf for a very limited time while those supplies last. And of course, next year when we see what the Calaveras 23 is about, we'll be back here with you next year to tell you all about what that one is about when it gets here next year. Just a reminder, we are still running our Zeno Nicaragua promo here if you haven't come in and tried it yet. It's a great medium-bodied cigar, a little fuller than your average Connecticut, but not anything that's getting you super full-bodied, but it does make for a good flavorful smoke, yet still something easy enough to be enjoyed in the summer. And summer is the theme, since we are giving away the yellow ice chest, we're giving away the sun chairs, we're giving away some of the limited edition 64-ounce growlers here. We've got ashtrays. We've got 4-packs that go free with a box purchase and more. So if you're curious about this cigar and curious about this big promo that we've got running on, make sure you stop in and see us. At least grab you a few sticks and get your name in the hat, or even better, get yourself a full box. Because if you buy a box of this, you triple the amount of tickets you would get than if you bought them 3 at a time. You get a free 4-pack to go with them, and you get a free ashtray. Plus, you get 16 entries to win the grand prize, which is the ice chest and the chairs, or the second prize growlers, or third prize ashtrays. So that's going to wrap up this week's edition of the Humidor Report. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already done so, and turn those notifications on so you can stay up to date with what is hip and happening here at Cigar Club Southeast Texas on Walden, just off of I-10 in Beaumont. That'll wrap us up for this week. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time, and until then, I'm Justin. We'll see you at the club.